Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to organize your tasks by adding a to-do chart to your whiteboard on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select the whiteboard you want to use, and then click on the plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen and tap on templates down below and slide to the right side at the top until you find the to-do button, and here you will be able to find to-do list charts. So click on the relevant one you would like to insert and use. You can change the shape of it, you can change the color, border color, the font size, color, format, spacing. You can add effects by the help of these icons that you can find down below. If you want to add an item to it, just simply zoom in and tap on the relevant box that you would like to customize like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.